If you care about high-resolution audio on the go or want a DAP that can double as a full-fledged headphone amplifier, two of the top contenders right now are iBasso DX340 and the FiiO M17. Both are beast-class players, but they shine in different ways. Let's break it down. So the DX340 uses a custom discrete PWM DAC and an FPGA Master 3.0 architecture, which iBasso claims pushes distortion down to negative 119 decibels, a level approaching top desktop gear. It supports high-res formats up to 32-bit 768 kHz PCM and native DSD512. On the amp side, it has a swappable amp card design and an optional external 12-volt supply, which can drive demanding headphones, even high-impedance models with ease. Listeners report a wide soundstage, rich timbre, and superb detail, often describing the sound as analog-like, natural, and immersive. Its pros include having exceptional sound quality with very low noise and high detail. It's versatile and works great with both IEMs and power-hungry headphones. Modular amp design gives future flexibility and customization, great soundstage, imaging, and realistic tonality that many find musical and organic. However, it's relatively large and heavy for a portable player. Its swappable modules and external power upgrades add complexity. It may be an overkill if you just want a simple portable DAP. The FiiO M17 packs a dual ES9038 Pro DAC setup and a robust amplifier section co-designed with THX. That means serious power and clean output, even approaching desktop levels for a portable device. Its sound is often described as powerful, dynamic, with strong bass impact and wide soundstage. Reviewers praise its neutrality and ability to render music with authority and clarity. For those who need that extra drive, like full-size planar headphones, M17 handles them without strain when powered appropriately. Its pros include having high output power, ideal for heavy headphones or demanding setups, clean, detailed, and dynamic sound profile with good bass, clarity, and stage width, and a solid build and feature-rich player. Good all-round if you want to do everything DAP. However, it's large and heavy, less pocket-friendly than smaller portable players. Some find the presentation a bit analytical or dry compared to more musical-leaning players, and heat and battery bulk trade-offs when pushing power for demanding headphones. So which one should you choose? Choose iBasso DX340 if you prioritize sound quality, musicality, detail, and flexibility. It's ideal if you value a rich, immersive listening experience and may want to drive both IEMs and high-end headphones. Its modular amp design and clean DAC architecture make it especially appealing for audiophiles chasing refinement. Choose FiiO M17 if you need power and versatility, for example driving tougher headphones or wanting a portable player that can still double as a desktop-class amplifier. It's a great pick if you care more about raw power, dynamics, and an all-in-one solution than modularity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.